It's time to play Knorr Kitchen Secrets Viral Cookoff. The cooking show where viral stars are challenged to create simple, delicious, and exciting dishes with verbal instructions only. With your host, me, Abby Marquez, and our viral guests, Bethany and Kaila.
Hi, I'm Kaila Dy. I'm an influencer and student right now.
Hi, I'm Bethany Talbot. I'm a content creator, model, and host.
We're not very good at dancing and people like that, so it got some views. I would rate my cooking skill a solid 5.
I was just gonna say 5.
Really? Yeah.
Like, kaya naman akong turuan.
Yeah.
Pero at the same time, I feel like I need to put more effort. I think I can do well.
Yes.
May potential
I agree.
si At.
Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making Kimchi Sinigang Hotpot. I know that sounds a lot. Bethany, Kaila, do you like hotpot?
Yes.
Never tried.
Never tried?
Yeah.
So ano pang hinintayin natin? Let's start. Step 1, we're going to assemble our ingredients. So for the tomatoes, I'm gonna cut these into 6 slices. What do you think is more difficult? Cooking or what you do? Content.
Cooking.
Cooking?
This whole process and the cleaning and everything after, I just love the eating part, which fuels me.
For the onions, trim off the top, slice it in half.
I have to
I
look away.
cry a lot.
Is there any trick to not cry?
Wearing goggles works the best. And also what helps is having a really, really sharp knife. Wow, Knorr tip pala yun. Get your green onion. For the white parts, slice them thinly. The rest of the green onions, I want you to slice them almost vertically. What's the story behind your first viral moment?
Me and my sisters just started dancing. Kahit hindi magaling, we just kept doing it. Yun, they were just like, more, please, more. Actually, no. They say, no, please, stop.
No, please stop.
No, please, stop.
So, Bethany, how about you? What's the story behind your first viral moment?
I would take viral dances and do my own twist on them. So I would just make it as silly, as bad as possible. And they liked it.
So, guys, when you're done slicing your thin green onions, you have there beside you an ice bath. Submerge it and you'll see it magically curl up. Grab a couple of paper towels and I want you to dry the super cold green onions. Did you expect virality?
You know what? Even sometimes when we dance, if it's good, my sister tells us, okay, we can't do this anymore. We have to make it bad.
too good.
Because she's like, this is not gonna go viral.
You don't know what people like. Sometimes it's the bad, silly stuff that people like,
Yeah.
right? Last step for your knife skills, your tofu. So to finish step 1, you can decorate your pot. You know when you do hot pot, you kind of swing your pork belly around your chopsticks.
This taps.
Like that?
Yeah, something like that. Put the meat on the outer side of the pot. Tomatoes and onions in. Now it's time for your kimchi. I'll put maybe half of this. You
With
can
the
add
juice?
the juice also.
Okay.
Okay, there.
1 tablespoon of gochujang. Lastly, sugar. Simmer it for just a couple of minutes. So now we go to step 2. Can you get the secret ingredient, please? Oh, shucks. So our secret ingredient for today is Knorr Sinigang Mix Sampalok Original. So Knorr tip, people substitute Knorr Sinigang Mix to dishes that require tamarind paste like pad thai, tom yum. Now I want you to dissolve the Knorr Sinigang Mix. And you know what's really special about our secret ingredient is it's made with real sampalok. So I want you to take the fish sauce and season this to your liking. You are gonna pour your sabaw and let it simmer for around 3 minutes.
3-minute dance break.
3-minute dance break! Asim kilig! Asim kilig! Okay, now let's open your pot and add in some of the last ingredients, your tofu. So sorry. And in just 2 minutes, your kimchi sinigang hotpot is now ready to be plated. So Knorr tip, if you want this recipe to have a hot pot execution, you can dump all the ingredients except the pork in one pot, and once it's all boiling and flavorful, you can now dip your pork slices one by one.
Ding!
And may I just remind you na hindi nyo pa ginagamit ang inyong secret silip. And a lot of people find it difficult to plate soup.
I don't want to mess it up. Gagamitin na namin yung secret silip.
Whoa! Girls, before you get your secret silip, you need to do this challenge. Do the asim kilig dance. So the principle is I wanna see each of the ingredient in the bowl, okay?
Ganun pala, ingredients first.
Yeah. Now you can scoop in your soup. And you don't want to drown this in soup and pile it on top like that. So that's how you plate soup.
Galing
Get?
talaga.
Gosh.
Okay,
Feel
go
ko.
back to your kitchen.
Buti na lang pala nag-secret silip ka.
Kaya nga eh.
Are you ready to eat?
I
Yes.
think I'm confident. I think I'm confident.
Okay, let's test that confidence. Let's try this out. Now it's time to reveal your results.
Oh my gosh! It's almost so good.
identical.
I might say ours looks better.
Oh my God! How dare you? Let's try each other's dish.
What?
What a plot twist. Ang
good.
sarap.
Taste yours.
Which one is ours? They look the same.
Okay, let's try.
I will bite it.
The meat is so good.
I feel like I'm gonna start craving this specific taste.
Ako din. Another episode, another simple, delicious, and exciting recipe. Basta Nor, kaya mong iluto yan.
Basta Nor, kaya kong iluto yan.
Try nyo na.
Ang kalat.
Ang sarap kasi.